so that's the BMW complete. We've finished this M140i, we've done the front door tweeters, we've added the almond card and grills in the door, and we've put the Audison tweeters in there. We've done the undercity woofers, we've done the door mid-range, and we've put the Forza C8.14 amplifier in there. That's what's running on the laptop at the moment. That's showing the processing of the audio itself, and it sounds absolutely wicked. I'll let you guys have a quick listen. So not too bad, eh? Sounds completely different, completely transformed. Doesn't sound like your normal run-of-the-mill BMW anymore with a horrible nasty bass audio in there. Well, this one had the hi-fi package. What meant it got the 8-inch under-seat woofers, but you didn't get any tweeters in the door. You just got the under-seat woofers basically amplified. It was very bass, very low mid-range, but no brightness, no clarity. Now it's got everything restored and it sounds absolutely wicked.